Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Hope you've all had a really nice day. So let's have a little look at the results of Close Up Coins episode 2. This one was a little bit easier just so everyone could really get a good idea of the game. The next time this comes up, which will be tomorrow, we will be playing for some prizes. Everyone that played along did win, so I'm not going to give everyone a huge shout out. Everyone that played, congratulations. Like I say, this one was a little bit easier and we're going to go through them all now. So number 1 was the 1998 EU Stars 50p coin. Number 2 there was the bottom of the 2020 Diversity Built Britain. We move on then to number 3. You can see 50 there, and there is the edges of a pair of hands, which means it has to be the other 1998 commemorative 50p. It is the 50th anniversary of the NHS. Number 4 did feature Peter Rabbit, but it was off the 2016 Beatrix Potter anniversary, the first of the 13 Beatrix Potters for UK circulation. We finish up then, Rowan, the Fair Play 50p coin. Again, a huge shout out for everyone that did play along. So they are going to get a little bit more difficult in the next one. We are going to play for some prizes. So again, best of luck if you do choose to play along. That video will be coming up tomorrow. Best of luck. Have a really nice evening, everyone. Stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.